Okay, I'm gonna do a video on how to flock a 9-foot Nordman Christmas tree. This is a 9-foot Nordman, and we're gonna do a medium flock on it. Some flocking in here.
This is what we use. The Pursell.
It's a good flock. Okay, first thing we do, we gotta wet the tree down. Wet it down with water. This is just water, because we need the flocking to stick to it. Then what you want to do is you want the snow to come down like it's naturally snowing. What I do here is I adjust my nozzle to where when the flocking hits it, it'll turn into snow. Let me show you how that works. See the snow coming down there? So now we got the flakes. See the flakes coming down? That's what you want. Just like so. Just let it come down on it. Just like it's snowing. Let it snow. What we're doing here is we're going to do a medium flock on this 9-foot Nordman. I want it to look natural, like it actually snows. Snow comes down. There it is there. That's how you flock a 9-foot Nordman Noble. Thanks for watching my tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like.